Hey guys, welcome to creativesoftz, and in this video we are going to do the speed test comparison of the HP x796w with the SanDisk dual drive Luxe. I've been using the dual drive Luxe for about 1.5 years and it has held great guys. And again, this is one of the best looking pen drive from HP which comes in gold and it have USB 3.1. and in my case guys, I feel this is one of the best looking pen drive from HP till date which I have used, and the build is also quite good, but it is not having the type C connector. Again, the SanDisk is having this type C connector with the help of which you can connect to your Android phone or you can connect to your MacBook. And let me just do the speed test of this because I really want to find out how good the HP pen drive is there versus something like the SanDisk which I had already been using it. And I'm using the OTG connector to connect it with the Thunderbolt guys, and this time I'm not going to use the USB 3.1 or 3.2. I'm just going to connect it with something like the Thunderbolt, because I just want the maximum file transfer rate of this particular pen drive. And I'm again going to connect the second window for the HP and the first window for the dual drive Luxe. And let me just start the comparison guys. And also, if you want to purchase any of these particular pen drives, do check out the link in the description. That is where you can directly buy it from Amazon, so you may also get some discount and all. Also, let me know in the comments below which is the pen drive you all are using, and are you all thinking of buying the SanDisk or the HP, because this is one of the hottest pen drive from HP, that is the x796w. I don't know why companies give such a big name, but again guys, it is kind of nice to see something from HP after a very long time. Generally I'm not getting that quite good speed. I've done a lot of speed test with I think every possible pen drive which I can find from HP, but I had not been getting a great speed guys. So my hope is full when it comes to HP's this x796w. And even I had been using the SanDisk dual drive Luxe for a very long time. I think I just got my hands on since the day it was released, and it is one of the best pen drive which I usually suggest, especially if you are subscribers guys. You all must be knowing that in the comments I generally recommend dual drive Luxe because it is having a type C connector and it is very easy to connect it to your Android phone or a MacBook. Especially I had a tough time in finding this OTG connector and then connecting it to something like MacBook, because the MacBook is having only the type C connector, and that is which is running on USB 4. And again guys, I would have done this comparison with the USB 4 which is available on the MacBook Pro. And the only reason why I'm not doing this is because majority of my viewers are using Windows, and most of the people who are even watching this video, I feel they are going to use this with Windows. Let me know in the comments below if you are using Windows or are you a Mac person, which definitely you will be in the Apple ecosystem if you are using a MacBook. So again guys, if you see the speed, if you just speed the read speed, I feel both are quite similar except for just around I guess 3 Mbps difference. And again guys, if you like this kind of video speed test comparison, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. And also do follow us on social media guys, and the handle is @creativesoftz, so do also check this out. And I'd been many people had been asking me which is a pen drive to get, whether you should go for the SanDisk or the HP. I would say just look for the best product from each of this category, because when it comes to service center, actually in Goa where I reside, both of these are equally good guys. And SanDisk, I had a very good experience with it. HP, I don't think so I had any pen drive which was broken. So considering that even SanDisk comes with a nice replacement and all, so which is very good in my opinion. I had a pleasant experience with SanDisk also. And the write speed, I would say, of these pen drives is around something like 25 to 27 Mbps. So let me just show you which is there on the SanDisk dual drive Luxe, which is I'm getting the write speed as 27.85 as you can see from the graph or the window. And for the HP x796w, I'm getting 24.33. So again, not a major difference, guys, around 3 mbps. Even the read speed is quite good. Again, I've been doing these tests somewhat repeatedly, so because of that, the temperatures, etc., this might vary. And talking about the temperatures, the SanDisk dual drive Lux gets heated very fast, guys, and it becomes very hot. But it's not a concern, because then again it is having a metal body and it can cool down also very fast. So this, the external body just acts like a heat sink, guys. So I know most of you all been like worried about whether it is heated up, and whether after getting heated, will it go or not. So I'm having the 128 GB variant of the SanDisk dual drive Lux, and over here I'm having 64 GB with the HP, and the temperatures are quite good, guys. Maybe in the ballpark of something like 60 to something like 48, I would say. But again, those are not very high temperature. But if you just take those pen drive just right after something like a speed test and compare it, you are just going to feel it warm, guys, and that is normal. I don't think so it's a big concern. And I've been using this since, like, the first batch, I guess I got it. And for 1.5 years I'd been using this as my primary device for transferring all the storage and all. That is the SanDisk dual drive Lux, and I had no issues, guys. And the pen drive get heated a lot, but I'm still not having any issues, no data corruption and all. So kudos to SanDisk for making a pen drive which is really, one of the pen drive which really works, guys. And if you have something like MacBook, it is a no-brainer. You all should definitely choose the SanDisk dual drive. Even in our comparison, as you can see, the faster pen drive is the dual drive. Maybe the point at which, like, the difference is negligible, somewhat like a 3 mbps and all. So I don't think so it's a deal breaker, even if you go with something like the dual drive Lux, or if you go with something like the HP x796w. And both are great pen drives, guys. As you can see, the 89 mbps for the read and 24 for the write. I think it is justified compared to for SanDisk it is 92 and 27 respectively, the read and write speeds. So if your highest priority is just copying the data from your Android or a MacBook, then definitely I would recommend to go with the SanDisk, guys, and skip the HP. But for some reason, if you really don't like the HP pen drive, guys, I would definitely, suggest SanDisk. But then again, the gold color is awesome of this particular pen drive. I've been using this with the OTG and all, so do also keep that in mind, because these are one of the best speeds which I got in. This is sort of a real world benchmark, guys. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this. And this got this nice closing mechanism with the help of which you can just press this button. Also, I've done the full unboxing video, you all can do check that out too, and I'll be just putting in the card or maybe end of this video, so do check out. And also I have a playlist for different kind of comparisons, speed test, unboxing and all. So there is a complete playlist at the end of the video, I'll just link it. And again, guys, looking at the speed and all, I feel this is justified. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular topic, guys. And again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.